SearchGPT shakes the market. Google's stocks drop amid new competition. Are you tired of irrelevant search results? SearchGPT has arrived to solve that problem. This innovative artificial intelligence is redefining online search. Today, I'm going to show you how this technology can transform your internet experience. So, pay attention and stay until the end. This new product is not just another search engine. It promises to transform the way we interact with information on the web. But what is SearchGPT, and why is it causing such a stir in the industry? Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell if you haven't done so yet. Let's continue. Imagine being able to perform an internet search and, instead of receiving an endless list of links to sift through, you get a direct, precise response tailored to what you really need. That's what SearchGPT offers. It's not just about displaying results, it's about understanding the context of your query, processing information from multiple sources, and returning a clear and useful answer. This technology works by combining the processing power of an advanced language model, similar to GPT-4, with real-time updates from data gathered on the web. The result is a search experience that feels more like a conversation and less like a chore. Instead of having to filter through information, SearchGPT does it for you, providing answers that really matter. This advancement hasn't gone unnoticed in the industry. Google, which has dominated the online search market for years, now faces a real challenge. For a long time, Google has been synonymous with internet search, basing its success on an algorithm that prioritizes link relevance. But with the arrival of SearchGPT, users can find exactly what they need without having to navigate through a maze of web pages. This fundamental difference in how both search engines operate is forcing Google to reconsider its approach. For many, SearchGPT represents the future of online search: fast, personalized, and user-centered. The impact of SearchGPT is already being felt in the market. Google's stocks, known for their stability, have shown signs of volatility. Investors are paying attention, aware that OpenAI's technology has the potential to capture a significant portion of the market. And that's concerning for Google, whose dominant position in online advertising heavily depends on its search engine. Google has built an empire based on ad revenues generated by its search engine. Every time someone clicks on an ad on the results page, Google earns a profit. If SearchGPT manages to capture a significant share of the market, that could mean fewer users using Google, and therefore less ad revenue. Moreover, Google's business model relies on collecting user data to personalize advertising. With SearchGPT, user privacy could improve significantly, as OpenAI has repeatedly emphasized its commitment to the responsible use of AI and the protection of user data. This more privacy-focused approach could attract users who are concerned about the amount of data Google collects and how it is used. But what makes SearchGPT so special from a technical standpoint? One of the keys is its ability to understand the context of queries. While traditional search engines heavily rely on keywords to return relevant results, SearchGPT goes a step further by analyzing the full meaning of a query. For example, if you ask, "What is the best smartphone for photography in 2024?" a traditional search engine might return a list of articles about smartphones. In contrast, SearchGPT would process the available information, review comparisons, expert opinions, and user reviews, and offer you a specific recommendation based on the most recent trends and what you are really looking for. This level of contextual understanding is possible thanks to the intensive training of the language model, which has been exposed to a vast amount of data, from books to scientific articles and online forums. Additionally, SearchGPT is continuously updated with new information, allowing it to stay up to date with the latest changes in any topic. If you're enjoying the content, remember to like and subscribe. You would help us a lot. Another standout feature is its ability to perform searches in a more conversational manner. Instead of just answering a question, SearchGPT can carry on a conversation, responding to follow-up questions and adjusting answers based on additional information provided by the user. This makes it a much more interactive and useful tool compared to traditional search engines. The benefits for users are clear. SearchGPT not only saves time, but also improves the quality of the information they receive. Instead of spending minutes or even hours going through different websites to find the information they need, users can get clear and concise answers in a matter of seconds. Additionally, SearchGPT's ability to personalize responses means that users receive information that is more relevant to them. For example, if someone is looking for travel recommendations, SearchGPT can tailor its responses based on the user's specific preferences and needs, such as lesser-known destinations, suggestions for solo travelers, or tips for families. Ease of use is also an important factor. The search experience feels more natural and less like a task that requires effort. This is especially helpful for those who aren't tech-savvy and may feel overwhelmed by the vast amount of information available on the web. However, the path for OpenAI is not without challenges. Competing with a giant like Google is just one of the many difficulties it will face. For one, there's the issue of infrastructure. Google has a massive network of data centers and servers distributed around the world, allowing it to deliver search results quickly and efficiently on a global scale. For SearchGPT to compete in terms of speed and availability, OpenAI will need to invest significantly in its own infrastructure. Another challenge is the accuracy of responses. While SearchGPT is impressive in its ability to understand and answer questions, there is still a risk of providing incorrect or outdated information. Unlike traditional search engines, where the user can cross-check multiple sources, reliance on a single AI-generated answer could lead to misinformation if not managed properly. Additionally, there's the challenge of market adoption. Google has been the go-to tool for online search for so long that changing user habits may be difficult. Even if SearchGPT offers a superior experience, convincing users to make the switch will require an effective marketing strategy and a clear added value. The future of online search could look very different thanks to innovations like SearchGPT. Over time, we may see greater personalization and efficiency in how we access information. Search engines could evolve into more comprehensive virtual assistants, capable of managing multiple tasks and offering real-time personalized recommendations. On the other hand, this evolution also raises questions about the role of tech companies in daily life. As tools like SearchGPT become more integrated into our routines, it will be important to consider issues of ethics, privacy, and control of information. Who decides what answers the AI provides? How do companies ensure that user data is handled responsibly? These are debates that will likely intensify as technology advances. The launch of SearchGPT by OpenAI has shaken the foundations of the tech industry and put giants like Google on the defensive. While it's too early to say whether SearchGPT will succeed in dethroning Google as the undisputed leader in the search market, what is certain is that we are at a moment of unprecedented technological change and evolution. The race to dominate the next generation of online searches is just beginning, and the coming years will be crucial in determining who comes out on top. For users, this means the possibility of a more enriching and personalized search experience. For tech companies, it represents a new era of competition and innovation. And for the world at large, it could be the beginning of a transformation in how we understand and use information in the digital age. How do you see the future of online search? Do you think SearchGPT can really surpass Google and Bing? Leave us your opinion in the comments. If you liked the content, don't forget to like and share it. Your support is greatly appreciated and helps us continue to share interesting information. Thank you.